Hello friends, this is Vikas from Excel India Tech. Today we are going to show you how we do the front side service for indoor and outdoor LED video wall cabinets. So we have an amazing cabinet which is exclusively for outdoor screening. So what it has is like the major part in this is we can do the front side service accessibility. I will show you how to do the front side access service accessibility in outdoor LED video wall. So first of all you need to remove the cabinet from the front side with this tool. You need to insert this. Once it's inserted, you need to pull out. You need to pull the module. So see how easy it is. It came out. Now you can do whatever service you want, like you want to repair any of your module, this one or any other one. You can do the service, and again you can insert it in CDB. So yes friends, this is how we do the exclusive cabinet of our product. Thank you.